Welcome back to our channel, CarCraze USA. Today, we're diving into a thrilling showdown between two popular car brands, Hyundai and Kia. In 2024, which brand comes out on top? We're breaking it down by vehicle category, comparing their best models, and revealing the ultimate winner. Buckle up, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about compact cars. Hyundai takes the lead here. With the 2024 Elantra lineup, which includes the standard Elantra, the sporty Elantra N, and the fuel-efficient Elantra Hybrid, Hyundai dominates this category. The Elantra N, in particular, stands out with its high rating and a fantastic array of standard tech features like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Kia's offerings in this segment, the Forte and the Rio, are solid but not as high-ranking as Hyundai's Elantra models. If you're after a budget-friendly daily driver, the Forte and Rio are great options, but Hyundai clearly has the edge here. Moving on to mid-size cars, Kia takes this round with the 2024 Kia K5. It boasts a spacious cabin, a smooth ride, and an impressive suite of standard features. On the other hand, Hyundai's Sonata is a bit pricier, but also offers a comfortable ride and a top safety pick status. In the hybrid cars category, Hyundai wins again by default. With the Elantra Hybrid and Sonata Hybrid, Hyundai offers excellent fuel efficiency and a strong warranty, making them top contenders in this segment. Now, let's talk compact SUVs. Hyundai's 2024 Tucson takes the top spot with its spacious interior and high ratings. The Kia Sportage is also a great choice, but falls just short of Hyundai's Tucson in our rankings. In the midsize SUV segment, Hyundai and Kia are tied for first place, but Hyundai pulls ahead overall. The Telluride and Palisade are stellar choices for families, with the Telluride slightly edging out due to its higher ranking. For hybrid SUVs, Hyundai is once again the winner. The Tucson Hybrid and Santa Fe Hybrid receive high marks, while the Kia Sportage Hybrid is a close second. When it comes to electric SUVs, Hyundai's Ioniq 5 leads the pack with its stylish design and impressive range. The Kia EV6 and EV9 are solid competitors, but fall slightly behind. Kia clinches the minivan category with the Carnival. Since Hyundai doesn't offer a minivan, Kia takes this round by default with its well-rounded and feature-rich Carnival. Finally, in the truck category, Hyundai's Santa Cruz is the standout, tying for the top spot in compact pickup trucks. With its unique design and practical features, it's a great choice for city drivers. So, who wins the Hyundai versus Kia battle for 2024? Hyundai takes the crown with a dominant performance across most categories. But don't overlook Kia. Its models are still fantastic and worth considering. Make sure to test drive your top picks and see which one feels right for you. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your favorite model or brand, and let us know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.